So till now we have done up to this, and this was the question for solving. I hope you guys solved it, and let's move ahead. So this kind of question you have done in your class 3 4, right? By what number should 20 be multiplied to obtain 180? So how we'll do this kind of question? By what number should 20 be multiplied to obtain 80? Okay, so suppose there is a number which is multiplied by 20 and you will get 180. So whatever the number is, if 20 comes this side, it will divide it. So 180 will be divided by 20 and you will get the answer, right? Like 180 divided by 20, 9 is the answer. Similarly, by what number should 13 multiplied so that the product is 169? So there is a number which is multiplied by 13 and you will get 169. So eventually what we'll do, 169 divided by 13, so 13 will be the answer. Similarly, now try to understand by what number should minus 5 to the power minus 1 be multiplied to get 8 to the power minus 1, right? So how we can do that? So obviously there will be a number. Let's guess that number be x. That will be multiplied by minus 5 to the power minus 1 to get the answer 8 to the power minus 1. Now if we solve it, that is x into minus 5 to the power minus 1, that is minus 1 by 5 to the power 1, because if the power is negative we will do reciprocal. Similarly here 1 by 8 to the power 1, so x into to the power 1 means minus 1 by 5, and this is 1 by 8 only. Now, if we multiply x, so x will be multiplied with the numerator, not the denominator, with the numerator. So minus x by 5, 1x means x only, equals to 1 by 8. Now minus x equals to 5 will come here, so 1 into 5 by 8, that is 5 by 8. This is minus x, but we need the value for x, right? So therefore x equals to, minus will come here, minus 5 by 8. That's your answer. Now in this question, by what number should minus 30 to the power minus 1 be divided to get 6 to the power minus 1? Write it down like this way. So minus 30 to the power minus 1, it's get divided by any number. So it's get divided by a number, this is x, so that the answer will be 6 to the power minus 1. Now how we can do that? Let's do the reciprocal first. So this is minus 1 by 30 to the power 1 divided by x, then this is 1 by 6 to the power 1, so this is minus 1 by 30 to the power 1 means this only, and this is 1 by 6. Now x is in division, right? So x will come here and x will be multiplied. So multiplied by x. So minus 1 by 30 is equal to x by 6. Now x will x can be in left side or can be in right side also. So x will be what? Now 6 come here, 6 will come here. That 1 into 6, which is minus 1 into 6 divided by 30, that is the value of 6. Sorry, 6. I'm saying that is the value of x. So this is minus 6 by 30 equals to x. 6 and 30 cancel out, which is 1 by 5. So minus 1 by 5 equals to x. That is your answer, right? Now solve this question by yourself. Solve it. Pause the video and solve it. Now there is another kind of simplification, right? So the first thing first we need to do. Make it in prime numbers. Like if there is something called, if they are saying like 10 to the power 5. So 10 to the power 5, write 10 as a product of two prime number. Write 10 as a product of two prime number, like 10 to the power 5 can like what we can write, 5 into 2 and to the power 5, that means 5 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5. Similarly, if there is something 6 to the power 5, so that will be 3 into 2 to the power 5, that means 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5. So just write it in that manner. 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 10 to the power 5, we can write it as a, we'll write it as a this way, 5 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5, right? Now this is 25, so 25 we can write as a 5 square, right? Now here 5 to the power 7 and 6 to the power 5 will write as that 3 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5. Now try to understand one more thing. Here 3 to the power 5, 3 is only 1, so 3 to the power 5 is there. 5 to the power 5 and here is 5 to the power 2. So for the same base, the power will get added. So this is 5 to the power 7 and this is 2 to the power 5. Now here also 5 to the power 7, 3 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5. Now see 5 to the power 7, 5 to the power 7 cancel out. 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5 cancel out. 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 cancel out. Don't write it as a 0 because for division we'll write 1 only. If the same number like 30 is divided by 30, so this is 1 na, so same number, the answer will be 1. Don't write as 0. Again there is two questions, one will I will solve and the other one you guys will solve. See here how we can solve this. 16 to 16, do the prime factorization. 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. That means 2 to the power 4, right? This is 2 to the power 4. So 16 is 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 4 is 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power n. Similarly here 16, that is 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 to the power n plus 2. Now for the same base the power will get added. So this is 2 to the power 4 plus n plus 1 minus this is 2 to the power n plus 2. This is 2 to the power 4 plus n plus 2 minus 2 to the power n plus 2. Sorry, this is 2 to the power 1, right? If there is nothing mentioned, that means the power is 1 plus 1. So this is 2 to the power n plus 5, 4 plus 1 5, minus this is 2 to the power n plus 2. This is 2 to the power n plus 6 minus this is 2 to the power n plus 3. Now try to understand one thing. Suppose 2 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 2. What will the answer? Here is a 8, here is a 4. So this is 4. So we cannot do the subtraction in that manner. Just a second. Yeah, we cannot do the subtraction in that manner. So take this as the answer. Now you guys need to solve this one. This is the next question. Find the value of n or any variable. So how we can solve this kind of question? Basically we'll equate the power. For the same base, what we'll do? Power will get added. So 2n plus 3 equals to 5 to the power 9. So from that, therefore or you can write hence, see, 5 and 5 equal, so this has to be equal. 2n plus 3 is equal to 9. So 2n equals to 9 minus 3. So 2n equals to 6. Therefore n equals to 6 by 2, that is 3. You got your answer. Now you have to solve this one. Again find the value of n. Let me solve it. Here you can see the power, right? But here you can't see any power. This is simply 1250. So what we will need to do the prime factorization first. So 1250, so we can divide it by 2 first. So 6, 2, 5. Then again we can divide it with 5, that is 125. Again 5, that is 25. Again 5, that is 5. So the prime factorization is like 2 to the power 1. For your understanding I am writing 1, but you don't need to write 1, because if there is nothing, if there is nothing, that means the power is 1 only, and 5 to the power 4. So this is 2 to the power n minus 7 into 5 to the power n minus 4, and we can write 1250 as 2 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 4. Now see, you can equate these two, or you can equate these two, because 2 2, so 9 minus 7, that has to be 1, or this is 5 and 5, so n minus 4, that has to be 4. So from here what we'll get, n equals to 1 plus 7, that is 8. From here n equals to 4 plus 4, because this 4 will come here and this is minus 4, so will be here as a positive 4. So n equals to 8. You can do either of them, that means only one you require. No need to do the two equations, only one you can do, and the answer will be same, as you can see. This is your answer. So how we can solve this kind of questions? So here is the first step. For this is applicable first, this is applicable for same base and the other one also. But you need to do the factorization. Not only factorization, prime factorization. For the power notation. Like in this question, this is power notation in exponential form, right? The left hand side, this is the left hand side. So left hand side is in power notation, but right hand side is not in the power notation. So what we did, we make it in a power notation form, and then we equate the powers and we find the value of n. Now we'll understand standard form. So what is standard form? What is standard form? Simple, very simple. So standard form is something, suppose a number is given as 687,295. They are asking it, write it in standard form. So how to find out the standard form? Simple. Standard form is like a number which is written as n multiplied by 10 to the power k, or you can find it in your book, it will written as k into 10 to the power n. Let me rewrite it. It is written as k multiplied by 10 to the power n, where the value of k, the value of k is less than 9, less than 10, less than 10. Okay, so I'm not going to the traditional method. Here is the shortcut of it. Here is the shortcut of it. First, count the total number of digits. Count the total number of digits. Okay. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So the value of n will be 6. So there is k into 10 to the power n, right? So n will be 6. We just write it in the standard form in that way. Just next is add a decimal after the first digit from left to right. From left to right. Just note down these 2 points, okay, because I am going to erase this. Pause the video and note down these 2 points. Okay, see what will be the standard form. The shortcut I mentioned, first key, count all the number of digits, how many digits are there. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So this 6 will be the value of the n. And second shortcut is add a decimal after the after the first digit from left to right. So the left to right, the first digit is 6. So here will be adding a decimal and rewrite the whole thing. 87295. This is the answer of the standard form. This is the standard form. Got it? Now in your question there will be might be asking the expanded form. like if we rewrite 6 8, what is the number? 687295. 687295. 687295. Expanded form, expanded standard form. So initially if we rewrite as an expanded form, what will do? 6 1 2 3 4 5 plus 8 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, not 5, 4, 1 2 3 4 plus 7 1 2 3 plus 2 1 2 plus 9 1 0 and plus 5. Okay, so now how we can rewrite it? Simple. 6 multiplied by 10, how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5, so to the power 5, plus 8 multiplied by 10, how many zeros are there? 4, plus 7 multiplied by 10, how many zeros are there? 3, plus 2 multiplied by 10, how many zeros are? 2, plus 9 multiplied by 10, how many zeros are there? 1, plus 5 multiplied by 10, how many zeros are there? 0. There is no 0 na, that's why we are putting 0. This is the expanded form. I hope you understood this. Now for practice, solve the exercise from RS Aggarwal. Now what is power notation? I missed out these two questions. So how to do a power notation if there is a fraction or number, basically you don't know how many times it's repeated. So for this kind of question, what we'll do, we'll do the prime factorization of both the number. So for 27, this is 3 9 3 3, that is minus 3 cube. For 64, this is 2 32, again 2 16, again 2 8, again 2 4, again 2 2. So how many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 to the power 6. But just think one thing, we have one and only condition here, that the power come here and the power comes here, both need to be same, both need to be same. For 6 2, for 6 2, see here, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4. So for 2 to the power 6, we can write it as 4 to the power 3, because 3 4s are coming na. So this is 4 to the power 3. Now see, here the power is 3 also, here the power is 3 also. We have only one motto here, that we need to make the power same. Now we can write it as minus 3 by 4 whole to the power 3. I hope you understood this. Now solve this one by yourself. Now that's all for the exponent part. Now that's all for the exponent part, and next we'll start the mensuration. Now for better, you need to practice from the book, practice from the book, and if you have any kind of doubts, then you can comment or you can WhatsApp me on 6294819125. Thank you.